Scorpios. Let the bot battle begin. Oh, here we go. Oh! There's the big swing of the hammer. But here comes Scorpios as Chomp is on his side.
Yeah, Scorpio's attacking those flanks, Chris. It's hammer time.
Oh, a big hit there.
It's trying to go for that primary weapon, Chris. Let's see if he can cut it
Look
off.
at this thing. It's on its side, Kenny.
Oh!
And how about that as it slices the hammer?
There's Chomp getting his flame going, though. Oh! And now he's on fire!
Whoa, oh, now it's in trouble.
Great job of getting underneath Chomp now, utilizing that saw.
Oh, yeah, a lot of sparks flying.
Oh, another!
There comes Scorpios. Oh, yeah. Woo!
Oh!
Woo!
Oh!
And just missed right. Uh-oh. Look out.
Oh! What a hit!
Well done by Chomp.
Oh!
The final 2 seconds, leaving a lasting impression with the
Oh
judges.
my God!
As this fight goes the distance between Scorpio and Chomp.
And that's gonna do it.